Imagine a pair of glasses that doesn't just sit on your face, but actually helps you think, work, and move through your day with more power than your phone. Today, Xiaomi has stepped into the spotlight with something that feels like it's coming straight from the future. Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where you discover the next big thing before everyone else. Trust me, what you're about to hear will change the way you look at wearable tech forever. So take a breath, sit tight, because these new Xiaomi AI glasses might become the next device you never want to live without. You know how smart glasses always sound exciting on paper but end up disappointing in real life? Either they're too bulky, too limited, or just don't feel ready for everyday use. Xiaomi clearly listened to all those complaints and decided to fix everything in one go. The new Xiaomi AI glasses are more than just an accessory. They're a personal assistant, a translator, a camera, a display, a productivity tool, and even a wellness companion, all sitting in a frame light enough to wear all day without feeling like you're carrying a mini computer on your face. The first thing people will notice is the design. Xiaomi kept these glasses clean, modern, and surprisingly minimal. They don't scream tech gadget. Instead, they look like something you'd actually want to wear, even if they didn't have any smart features. The frame uses a lightweight magnesium alloy structure that keeps it strong but comfortable. Xiaomi also worked hard on weight distribution, so the front of the glasses doesn't feel heavy on your nose even with the display and sensors inside. And yes, these are available with prescription lenses too, because Xiaomi knows not everyone has perfect vision. But the real magic starts when you power these glasses on. Xiaomi's micro LED display shows you a bright, sharp overlay that floats in front of you like a hologram, but without blocking your normal view. It's not distracting. It doesn't cover your whole field of vision. It doesn't feel like you're looking at a screen taped to your face. Instead, it feels like information gently appearing only when you need it. Whether it's navigation, directions, real-time translations, notifications, or camera previews, everything fits naturally into your line of sight. Speaking of translation, Xiaomi went big on AI features. The glasses can translate conversations in real time with on-screen captions that feel smooth and natural. Imagine talking to someone who speaks a different language and watching the translation appear instantly in your view. This feels like something from a sci-fi movie, and now it's real. And because the glasses use Xiaomi's new AI model, the translations are incredibly accurate and fast. Then there's the camera. Xiaomi added a discreet 12-megapixel camera built right into the frame. It captures high-quality photos and video. Without sticking out like a spy gadget, it's perfect for travel, vlogging, or moments when you want to be hands-free. More importantly, Xiaomi added an LED indicator that lights up when the camera is on, addressing privacy concerns that many people had with older smart glasses from other brands. Xiaomi wants these glasses to feel futuristic, but also safe, and responsible audio is another area where Xiaomi put a lot of effort. Instead of using in-ear buds or open speakers that leak sound, Xiaomi developed a directional sound system that sends audio directly toward your ears while keeping it private. Think of it like having tiny speakers that only you can hear. Whether you're listening to music, hearing navigation directions, or taking a call, the sound stays clear without disturbing the people around you. But the biggest strength of these glasses is how deeply they're connected to Xiaomi's AI ecosystem. You can ask questions, start tasks, check your schedule, control your smart home, or even summarize long articles with a simple voice command. The built-in AI assistant is fast, responsive, and surprisingly natural. It understands context, remembers your recent interactions, and helps you do things without needing to reach for your phone. Xiaomi wants these glasses to feel like a personal AI. It lives right in front of your eyes. Battery life is another area Xiaomi managed well. Even with displays, cameras, sensors, and AI processing, these glasses can last through a full day of moderate use. Xiaomi uses a smart power management system that keeps the display off when you don't need it. And the glasses automatically enter a low power mode when not in use. Charging is convenient too, with a magnetic charger that snaps into place quickly. Now, let's talk about productivity, because this is where these glasses really shine. You can pull up quick notes, scan text in front of you, translate documents instantly, receive reminders, check your shopping list, or preview messages without ever looking down at a phone. This feels like the next step in wearable tech. not a replacement for your smartphone, but a smoother, faster way to handle small tasks without interrupting your day. During workouts, the glasses display live stats like pace, heart rate, and distance, letting you train hands-free. And for navigation, floating arrows appear in real space, guiding you with incredible accuracy. For creators, Xiaomi added AI captioning, object recognition, and instant photo enhancement. You can capture a moment and watch the AI automatically improve lighting and clarity. If you're walking in a new city, the glasses recognize landmarks and show quick facts in real time. It's like having your own tour guide built into your eyewear. One of the most impressive features is Xiaomi's real-time memory capture. When enabled, the glasses can save short segments of what you see so you can revisit moments later. Xiaomi made sure this feature respects privacy with clear indicators and full user control. It's not always recording. You choose when it activates. Xiaomi also made these glasses highly customizable. You can adjust the brightness of the display, change the position of the overlay so it fits perfectly with your eyes. Select your AI voice and choose what notifications you want to see. Everything is designed to feel personal and intuitive, not overwhelming. The integration with Xiaomi phones is seamless. But the good news is that these glasses also support iOS and other Android phones, making them accessible to a much larger audience. If you use Xiaomi's smart home products, the glasses become even more powerful. You can check who's at the door, change the temperature, turn on lights, or open a robot vacuum with simple commands. So who are these glasses for? Honestly, almost anyone. Travelers who want translations, students who want fast research tools, professionals who want hands-free multitasking, creators who want new ways to capture moments, fitness lovers who want live data, even everyday users who just want a smarter way to handle notifications without constantly checking their phone. Xiaomi took risks with this product, but they took the right risks. These glasses are polished, useful, and surprisingly comfortable. They don't feel like an experiment. They feel like the breakthrough we've been waiting for. Not futuristic, not experimental, practical, powerful, and ready for everyday life. The Xiaomi AI glasses show that the future of wearables is not about screens getting bigger, but about screens getting closer. Tech is becoming more personal, more subtle, more helpful, and Xiaomi is leading a shift toward AI. Experiences that feel natural instead of distracting. If this is where the industry is heading, the next few years are going to be exciting. And if Xiaomi continues improving this product, these glasses might become as common as smartwatches are today. Some brands talk about innovation. Xiaomi actually builds it. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you love discovering the newest and smartest gadgets before anyone else, make sure you stick with us, because the future is happening fast, and you don't want to miss any of it. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.